cutscene. Why is my head so big?
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, Acacia, you're so big.
So we were saying.
Oh god.
I'm taller than all of you.
Alright guys, let's go this way.
Okay.
Chase, where did you go?
Right there.
Over here.
Did you Chase? Your head is also big.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Yeah, except you don't have anything in Twilight. Welcome.
I heard something.
I'm hearing stuff too.
Actually, that's the one.
Oh, guys.
My dad just gave me 2 full-size Twix bars. Oh no, I think the train is starting.
I got a fuse.
Good job, Edit. I hear something. Wait,
Stay in here, Acacia. Acacia.
Rudy, can you hear?
Acacia, get.
I'm going.
Shit, get in.
Acacia, you're gonna get hit.
Definitely started. This is so scary for no reason. I don't want to leave.
Rudy, there's one that's gonna go right past the door.
Oh my god, I almost got killed again.
It's behind you. It's behind you, isn't it?
Ash, I see you.
I'm scared.
Don't mind. Terrifying. Why did we do this?
Jesus Christ.
Dude, they're everywhere.
Welcome back. It's so scary
Ash, do you
for
have
no
any
reason.
issues with me?
No.
Oh, we can whistle.
Oh my god.
Rudy.
What am I supposed to do? What the hell?
Oh yeah.
Man, this is bullshit.
I should probably leave.
No shit, this is not a good situation to be in. Okay? I'll chase.
Oh god. Okay, we're good.
Oh my god, I almost got hit by that.
I just walked right past it.
Where do we
It's a
go?
very long hall. I don't like
I made it to this. I made it.
It's not a good place to be in.
That team persevere.
Is that an Undertale reference? Or
Yes, this is an Undertale. That was an Undertale reference.
Oh shit.
That sounds demonic as fuck.
Where are you?
What?
I'm
I'm
waiting.
in a safe room currently.
I'm trying to go to the. I'm trying to go there.
Who is that approaching me?
Me.
Rudy, get over it.
I can't hurry.
You know, let's wait for everybody else before we leave.
I'm trying to go.
Oh, get back in.
This is impossible.
You're so close. We gotta keep going.
See now we're in the
No, not this 4-way. Keep going.
Oh, no, get back in.
Ooh, we're so close.
Oh, I see the light. Guys! Ash.
We're rushing. We're rushing. We're rushing. Louder than
So bright. Because you're.
wrong. Take it first, then.
Alright. Yeah. You press play all button, then you can see what path everyone took and where we put on.
Oh my god. We gotta see.
Dude, I'm looking at mine. This is goofy as fuck.
What are, it's like looking at ants, bro.
Yeah. Oh.
Aw.
Did you add more?
No, it didn't ask me to do anything.
Alright, let's just try it again and then do any modifiers.
I guess.
I would explore
Yeah,
while trains haven't started. I hear a train.
Yeah, also heal.
There's no one.
So, patient. Oh god, they're starting. They're starting. We got another fuse.
Dude, there's like so many.
I'm trying to figure out where you guys are.
I'm lost. Am I?
I'm at spawn. Did I swap?
I'm somewhere.
I'm behind your phone.
Oh, did I make it? Did I find my way to the exit? Hey. I didn't mean to go here. I was like wandering, like actually.
I'm getting
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Okay, Joe, over here. Okay, Joe, hurry.
Hurry, there's a train coming.
Yay!
Alright, let's go, guys. Come on.
I've missed Super Mario Wii.
5 minutes.
Alright,
Let's do all of our routes.
Yeah, I want to see
Oh
myself
my
wander.
god. My route. Why am I the
Mine
only
is
one that
odd.
What did I do?
Dude, in case you
Oh my
wanted a
God.
circle.
I just did my own route apparently.
Dude, in case you kept going in circles.
Add modifiers.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still watching you guys because this is funny. Dude, oh my god, Chase, you went like all around the map.
I like it. For the first time in a long time, I feel like I like it.
Okay, we gotta leave. Oh, let me make another one.
Alright, here we go.
Why would anybody voluntarily do this? Like, there's a cutscene where you're climbing down the ladder. Why are we just doing this?
Yeah.
Maybe that's like our
I think
job.
maybe-
Oh my god, that's a lot of rooms.
We are great,
The rooms are
grave
too.
diggers. Not.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Oh no! Oh no!
Chase, this is your idea, man. I'm gonna go wander. See you guys.
Maybe the hallucinations was a bad idea.
Why?
It's like a red face. It's just like eyes and teeth, and it's like cartoony. It's not anything bad, but it just jumps at you. Oh, oh, this is bad. I
Oh,
hate
it's just like
you.
Jesus Christ.
That's not too bad.
Rudy, where did you go? Oh my god, the face.
Still at spawn. I don't. I'm scared. I'm really scared.
You're everywhere. Oh, I'm dead.
I haven't left.
Dude, there's trains everywhere. There's nowhere.
Hallucinations aren't bad at all.
Really? Oh, shoot! How did that not hit me? That was good. Oh, hallucination.
Where are we going? What even happened? I didn't even see the train.
The fake trains. Oh. It's a fake room. Dude, I hate the fake trains, bro.
Me too. I just got it wrong by one. I hit by the same one.
Pop-ups, because there's so many. It's in settings. I don't know. I'm playing on mobile, dude. I can't tell you. Thanks, Chris.
Where did the music go? Is the music still in the phone?
Nope. the escape room? Are we
I'm just chilling in the
serious?
safe room.
I'm gonna try to get to the fuse box.
Dude, safe room's gotta be here somewhere.
Lock out.
Oh, fake train. Thank God that's real. Oh, dude, double fake trains? You can't be serious. Oh, is this
I don't
it?
like the little station. See, I had it.
Need one more.
He's happening!
Jesus. You get a fuse?
No. We still need one more. Oh my god.
You want to go?
I don't even know how it got
Thank you for sacrificing yourself, Evan.
Yeah,
We love you.
I've like died so many times there. Jesus Christ.
And do these doors like, yeah, they do open. Alright.
What the
I
fuck?
was trying to figure that out too.
What the fuck was that?
Alright.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
I'm not finding anything.
Oh, and it's gonna be pitch black when Ash comes back.
This?
Oh, I'm so cold. Come on.
Oh, Jesus. Really missed me. Dude, I'm not finding it.
So bad. It was so
It's
bad.
so bad. That's
I'm just trying to walk out.
Yeah, or my own.
good. Was that a ghost train or was that real? I can't tell. Jeez. It's like a very long hallway.
Happy birthday, Dave.
Did I just go in a big circle? I just went in a giant circle. How about that? I'm gonna give up. I'm going back to the circle.
I'm just running. Please be a room. Please be a room. Oh my god, I found it.
Oh my god.
I found it. Go for it.
Ooh. Oh my god, Trey's getting here. Oh my god, guys. You're in. Alright, I wanna see like the paths I took.